Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. What a volatile market once again, and Bank Nifty fell more than 500 points in the morning, mainly because of there was a huge selling by HDFC Bank shares. So HDFC Bank has fallen nearly 220 rupees. So HDFC Bank has, I think, about 30% weightage in Bank Nifty. So if it's falling 20 rupees, along with that it drags the other banking stocks down. So Bank Nifty normally falls 500 to 600 points, and that's what has happened. But from the low levels, probably by the support of the domestic institutions, the short covering came in. Bank Nifty shot up nearly 500 point. So 500 point down and 500 point up. And in fact, today Nifty has outperformed. And Nifty fell nearly 150 points down. From there, it shot up nearly 200 points. So it was a very, very highly volatile. If you can remember, I said if the first 3 weeks are very volatile and the last week will be even more volatile. So that's what exactly is playing out, and markets are making very big moves, but India VIX is very low, option premiums are very low, but markets are making very, very big moves on both the sides. So definitely this month, it's not a good month for positional options traders. Nifty shot up 1000 point, then from there fell 600 point. Then from today's low, shot up 200 point. So this kind of a huge swing make trading very, very difficult. So since the morning, but at the end of the day, I've seen even the FIIs, they sold only for about 355 crores, but the domestic institutions bought only for 386 crore. So that's a very, very small figure. But I think this all because of the positioning by the retail people, short selling, long unwinding, short covering, and etc. So our market is becoming more and more crowded. This kind of move is may become a normal one. And wait for NSE to open a trading from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. You will find even more volatile. So that's because the people who don't have access, they also come into the market, adding more volatility to the market. So anyway, this week I predicted a range 19,500 on the downside and 19,850 on the higher side. Though markets were very, very volatile, so the markets are moving within this range. European markets opened slightly in green, and because of that US futures are higher. But in the past I have observed as and when US futures turn positive because of the global cues. So as soon as the markets open, there will be some sell-off. But today there will be some sell-off or not. So that will be interesting to watch. That's because in the very short term, US markets are extremely oversold. The Nasdaq 100 has fallen 6% this month, but it has fallen 700-800 points in a matter of a few trading days. So if there is any short covering, so that short covering is going to be more powerful. But for that to happen, there must be some kind of a trigger. So right now, there seems to be no trigger. The US debt ceiling issue, by hook or crook, if they come to a deal by September 30, then the markets can recover. So until that uncertainty is over, any rise may be, you can say it's a short covering or dead cat bounce. So September month is usually a brutal month for the global markets. So in the past also, if you can remember, Lehman Brothers collapse also came in the month of September. So September is usually, if you can remember, last year September is when the US inflation hit 9% and then market went to the lowest point. So even in coronavirus period also, I think coronavirus was March was the low. So usually September is a brutal month, but what happens every Tom, Dick and Harry, by looking at this very bearish market, so they take the short position. And then what happens usually in the month of October month is known as bear killer. So all the bears will be killed by markets moving higher. So if any such thing happens by September 30, or the government may go for shutdown maybe for 1 or 2 days, so then they will close the deal. So they cannot shut down the US government forever. So there is a possibility, so the bear killer may happen in October. And since we also fell so much, so today is a bear killer, we can say. So we have to wait and see whether this killing of bears going to continue or not. So anyway, as I said, 19,740, if it is closing above this level, then one have to remove the bearish view. So you have to go for the neutral view. So when to take a bullish view, I will tell you later. So nowadays, I follow the trend following system. So the results seems to be much better than earlier non-trend following systems. So that's why now my workshop content is completely different from what I used to do earlier. And last few workshops, the response has been very good. So if you are interested in workshop in Mumbai or Delhi, so you can just check the details in the description. So you can call our office, you can register. So overall, the markets are still in bearish mode. So what happened today is a short covering rally. So whether this is going to continue or not, so only the US market will have to tell us tonight. So let us see what is going to happen. But at least tomorrow is expiry, we can have, some peace of mind. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.